Welcome to AIBC Startup Pitch, where we'll see thousands of investors and innovators in blockchain, AI, quantum tech, big data, and the Internet of Things gather in one roof, and that will take place on November. And here with me is the co-founder and CEO of Quota, Giovanni Buono. Thanks for agreeing to do this.
Thanks to you for inviting me and for giving us the opportunity to participate to the contest.
And to kickstart this process, you are to answer 5 set of questions in a span of 3 minutes. So once again, good luck and congratulations for being part of this competition. Now tell us, what is Quota?
Well, Quota is basically the tool that helps insurance company to create products for happier tenants, landlords, and real estates. So if you want me to go into technical details, basically we provide a tool that allows to score tenants, to give a perfect profile about their credit score, profile as a spending behavior, the historical data about their previous rents. So in order to real estate agents and landlords to decide if they are suitable or not for the properties. And once they are meet these tenants, then we are able to issue some special product like a micro insurance that replace rental deposit. So in this way, the tenants are avoiding to spend money in rent deposit, but the landlord is protecting like as they have the money in their pocket. So basically it's a solution for both.
And what difference can this make to the AI industry?
What difference? Well, actually we have different impacts. As I say, the first impact would be on the retail product, on the retail audience. So tenants will have more access to or better access to properties for rent. Landlord will have an easy process and to decide who allow to rent their properties, but especially real estate agents, for instance, also have a new tool to make the ends meet the two different parties of the process to go to find a common solution that they feel comfortable with. So they will speed up the process of renting properties for real estate agents. And on the other side, insurance company can use our platform to distribute new product in different niches.
And Giovanni, there are many real estate platforms, applications out there. Could you differentiate Quota from the rest?
Yeah, I think we for the real estate industry, what we do first of all, we allow to speed up some of the process. We make quite more user friendly using chatbot and also using blockchain to secure all the documentation. So I think we are implementing just those features that are really useful. A lot of software in the market, they are really complex and they make a lot of stuff that an actual realtor not using. So we just implemented those features in order to make their job easier and also to provide products that are totally new in some markets. So our product, for instance, in Southern Europe, we are mainly focused on that market. Our product is kind of unique. Nobody has such a micro insurance. So real estate people can really use a differentiator factor in order to close more deals.
Let's talk about goals. Where would you like to be in 2 years' time?
So in the moment, for us in this moment, our main goal is to progress in the development of digital product, getting traction, selling the first micro insurance in the market where we are operating. And also we are in fundraising, obviously, because we want to speed up the growth of the company.
Okay, great. And lastly, for an icebreaker, tell me something about yourself that not many people know and that you're willing to share.
Oh, well, a secret. I can tell when I was 18, I had two dreams. One was to become an engineer, and one was to become a go-go dancer. But lucky for many people, I became an engineer. This something was a better decision from a career standpoint.
Engineering and go-go dancing, two different worlds. Well,
Yeah.
cheers to you for picking your true calling. You're amazing. Thank you so much, Giovanni, for sharing. It was great talking to you. I wish you all the best, and to the Quota team. We look forward to seeing you in November.
Okay, thank you very much and see you soon.
Now, there will only be one lucky startup candidate that will benefit from an investment ranging from 25,000 to 500,000 euros. Do you have what it takes to bring that check home? It is not too late to register. Apply now at aibc.world and we'll see you there.